If you're tired of typing your Windows 11 login password every single time you start your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple and effective method to completely disable the Windows 11 login password and remove the login screen, something that used to be easy on Windows 10 but is now hidden in Windows 11. Don't worry though, by the end of this video, your PC will boot straight to your desktop with zero interruptions. Let's get right into it. First, we'll make a quick adjustment in the sign-in settings. Go to the search bar and type sign-in options, open it, scroll down, and look for the additional settings section. You'll see the line that says, if you've been away, when should the Windows require you to sign in again? Open the drop-down and switch it to never. Once that's done, close the window. Now for the second step, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the black command window opens, paste the command I provided for you in the video description, or if you can't find it, then pause the video and write it somewhere safe. Just right-click inside CMD and it will paste automatically. Hit enter and you should see the message. The operation completed successfully. Once this is done, go ahead and restart your computer. When you're back, it's time for the final step. Open the search bar and type netpluwiz. That's NETPLWIZ. Hit enter and you'll see the user accounts window appear. Now the option users must enter a username and password to use this computer will finally be available again. Simply uncheck it, click apply, and enter your password one last time to confirm. Click OK. Let's restart once more to test it. When Windows loads up again, you'll notice it takes you straight to the desktop. No password prompt, no login screen. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Windows 11 login password and made your startup experience seamless. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful Windows tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.